Welcome back to the Stoned Ape Cultivation YouTube channel. This is week 8 of the Auto Purple Kush and the Auto Amnesia. Both strains come from the Canuk Seed Company. I germinated both seeds in paper towel and then planted directly into the large 6-gallon pots to avoid any possible stressing during the transplanting process. Moving into week 8 now, the stem systems on both plants are starting to become very stiff and brittle. There's no need for training at this point. The shape of the plant has been established. Now I'm just starting to go through and defoliate both plants, just removing any fan leaves that I can see are noticeably blocking the light from penetrating the lower growth. By doing this, it allows better airflow, reducing the risk of mold, and also just allows more energy to be focused on producing larger flowers. It's important for regular defoliation at this stage, but you also want to monitor the pots, not allowing them to dry out. It's beneficial to be consistent with watering to generate large yields. For example, these plants are roughly taking about 4 liters of water every 2 days, mixed with the full recommended dose from the General Hydroponics company. Other than that, just checking daily that the equipment's all running and the tent is in the safe range for temperature and humidity. Throughout this week, it's roughly been about 76 degrees Fahrenheit at a humidity of 55%. In the description below, I'm going to be adding a referral link to the Canuk Seed Company. You can check out some of the strains they have to offer there. Also, I'm going to be adding some of the products that were used in the making of this video. For example, the 1500 watt King LED. This wraps up week 8 of my auto flowering tent, the Purple Kush and Amnesia from the Canuk Seed Company. Make sure to show your support, like, share, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook. And take the time to just check out some of the other videos that we have to offer. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Bye.